service offered. Room services, concert services, and housekeeping services. Spa and wellness. Amenities available. Complimentary breakfast, fitness center, swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, parking, room service, and business center. Features of hotel. Room features, amenities, services offered. Security services, 24/7 security personnel, CCTV, surveillance, and controlled access to the building. Maintenance services, concert services, housekeeping services, fitness and recreational services, parking services. Amenities of condominium. Fitness center, swimming pool, clubhouse, playground, gardens, and green space. Parking facilities. The types of condominium. Location, obtained fund or urban areas. View, panoramic cities, scenic views. Amenities, rooftop terrace, high-speed elevators, state-of-the-art security system. Units range from studio, apartment, multi-bedroom unit. Hotel services offered. Front desk services, 24-hour check-in and check-out services. Housekeeping, daily room cleaning and linen changes. Parking, free or expensive parking, often right side outside your room. Full amenities. Basic amenities such as TV, air conditioning, mini fridge, and microwave. Types of motel. Room features basic accommodation with essential amenities like bed and TV, and a bedroom. Services limited services with a focus on affordability, often including free parking and Wi-Fi. Services offered in inns, accommodation services, cozy rooms with a home-like atmosphere, often individually decorated. Diner services on-site restaurant or breakfast area, sometimes with sourced or homemade meals. Housekeeping, daily room cleaning and maintenance services available in inns. Complimentary breakfast, often included homemade or locally sourced breakfast. Free Wi-Fi with internet access through the property. Parkings, complimentary or secure parking facilities. Features each type of inns. Features individualized rooms obtained with unique and charming decor, cozy common areas, and a home-cooked breakfast. Services offered. Maintenance services, on-site staff to handle repairs and maintenance requests, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Security services, 24/7 security personnel, CCTV surveillance, and controlled access to the building. Property management, professional management staff to assist with leasing inquiries and community policies. Amenities available in apartment. Fitness center, a fully equipped gym with modern exercise machines and free weights. Swimming pool, indoor or outdoor pools for relaxation and exercise. Rooftop terrace, outdoor space with seating, barbecue areas, and sometimes stunning views of city. Features of types of apartment. Layout, space, size, features. One-bedroom apartments. Outdoor service offered. Accommodations, dining, spa and wellness, event hosting. Outdoor amenities available. Gourmet restaurant, spa and wellness, scenic views, swimming pool, historic ambience, event space. Paradores featured its type, location, features, atmosphere. Pension service offered. Retirement benefits, lump sum payments, survivor benefits, disability benefits, and breakfast service offered. Accommodation, complimentary breakfast, personalized service, daily housekeeping, Wi-Fi access, common areas. Breakfast amenities available. Comfortable rooms, private bathrooms, complimentary breakfast, free Wi-Fi, common areas, personalized service. Featured each type for bed and breakfast. Features, atmosphere, amenities. Service offered, accommodation, shared bathrooms, common areas. Available amenities for hostels. Common luggage areas, game rooms, and TV rooms where guests can relax. Free Wi-Fi, private rooms. Features its type of hostels. Shared dormitories with bunk beds, some private rooms. Social and communal, ideal budget travel. Campground service offered. Campsite rentals, restroom facilities, electric hookups, water supply. It is available for campgrounds. Fire pits and grills, picnic tables, tent sites. Spa service offered. Massage, facials, body treatment. Amenities available. Massage rooms, special treatment rooms, saunas and steam rooms. Private home service offered. Housekeeping, concierge service, check-in, check-out. Test available. Fully equipped kitchen, Wi-Fi access, television, entertainment. Features each type. Fully furnished home and popular tourist destination, offering the comforts of home with proximity to attractions.